Railway enthusiasts around the world has been waiting for this much anticipated project. India has now put his footprint on the best of the and the most tedious of the railway project undertaken. Mr. Dayal, what can you tell us here at Katra railway station, platform number 1 we are standing? What is this project all about? And let us go through what is the idea, why this project should be looked as a marvel for the world at large.
Thank you for giving me a chance to speak about this project. I am Ashwani Dayal, I represent Ircon International, and I was primarily responsible for IT, signaling and telecom for my portion. For us it was from Banihal till Sabalkot. So we completed everything within a record time, and we inaugurated last time when the inauguration was done in our section by Honorable Prime Minister Ji on 20th of February 2024. Train operations are running there successfully for past 1 year. So there is no doubt of confidence. We should be confident. It is best of the class. There are many of the first of the kinds for this Indian Railways. We have put best of the systems. Everything is under CCTV surveillance, equipped with best of the devices, security devices. There are face recognition cameras also for any untoward incidents or miscreants who can be spotted. So we can be sure of anything happening here that this train is fully safe, fully equipped with all the modern facilities and amenities.
Today, the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, will also dedicate Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla Railway Link project. After Switzerland, which is said to be conducting the most advanced and most updated railway projects in the world, USA is there, China is there, and now India. But where do you put the Chenab Bridge, and where do you put this Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla Railway Link, which has been there for 30 years in the making, 25 years plus, and when we finally see the daylight, and at the most auspicious place, which is Vaishno Devi Katra railway station, that is where we are standing, and that is where you are guiding us through give us the essence of it.
See, first of all, if we compare to any of the world's means where Switzerland or USA, or you can say the largest nations like China, we are no less than them. The technologies used and the things which you are talking about, Chenab Bridge, Anji Bridge, which is a cable stay bridge, longest tunnels, Asia's longest transportation rail tunnels. So we are one of the best among them, and we stand shoulder to shoulder to them. This project was more challenging. They were also looking at us, that how do we complete this project in such a tough geology of Himalayan, which are so young mountains. And here challenges are altogether different than European Alps, where mountains are stable, you get hard rock, and digging tunnels are very easy. But here the tasks were very different. There are lots of time, the alignments were changed because landslides, because of too much of water, because these are young Himalayas fully laden with snow and all those things. So challenges were there, and of course
tunnel number 50 is 12.75, and
yes,
another competing tunnel is Pir Panjal tunnel. This will also give way and show us the pathway for the future for railways in India, for the railway board and the railways, the whole system of the railway, and at the same time to the world at large, because here you have got a real working experience in conducting such huge project. And you talked about Anji Bridge, that cable bridge with 670 kilometers of cable itself,
yes,
and at the same time Chenab Bridge, the highest bridge. Yes. How do you see this whole panning out for the future of railway in India? And we always knew that Konkan Railway was the marvel, and here we are standing at Katra railway station, sir.
Yeah, see the longest tunnels which you are saying, Pir Panjal tunnel and then T50-51. I will just do a slight correction that it is not only 50, it is adjacent with the 250 meters of another tunnel, and it makes the longest transportation tunnel. Then it becomes 13.2 kilometers. So that both were done by Ircon International. And yes, what I say is in terms of experience, this is just a sparring of Indian public and Indian Railways. We will see many projects of tunnels and best of the bridges which are being built in Indian Railways and in India, of course, on roads and others. These experiences are definitely going to benefit because there were so many first of its kind in this USBRL project.
And also the most important is the way there were difficult times as well to keep the morale high when the whole work was stopped for some reasons, for the how to go about it, the new technologies to be brought into the world best technologies, IITs were brought into, Konkan Railway was brought into, and DRDO was brought into. It was a real, true Indian work by truly Indian engineers, and you must be a proud man today.
Definitely, it is a moment of pride. And what you see, if we get a work, I think work itself is a motivation. So I don't think so. We know that it is a turbulent place. We knew it day one when we started this project. Everybody knew it. Indian Railways knew it. IRCON knew it. KRCL knew it. And we did this project when there was the most turbulent time during IRCON in 2002 till 2000 now in 25. We have done all those Baramulla rail link till this place. So you say motivation, morale.
A generation is almost a generation has been dedicated. वो एक जनरेशन खप गई पूरी रेलवे के स्टाफ की जो 30 साल में आते होंगे, आज वो 60 साल रिटायरमेंट की ओर है.
खप नहीं गई, खप एक गलत शब्द होगा. वो एक्सपीरियंस हो गया और नेक्स्ट लेवल के लिए जाने के लिए तैयार है. वी आर ऑन द लॉन्च पैड नाउ.
No doubt the commercial part, the business part, and at the same time eco-friendly, electrified, and you talked about the telecom and the other CCTVs there.
Yeah, see, we can say that since this valley part, definitely environmentally, if we say working here is a challenge, right? Sanctions from environmentalists, other places, but definitely we can say that development has some cost attached to it. Definitely there will be certain eyebrows raising because cutting of tunnels, cutting of earth, it happens. Without that, train cannot move. Such projects cannot be conceptualized or even created. Those challenges were there, but we took adequate care of it. Once those areas were used for our railway network, for creating this rail network, we developed other areas also. We developed other areas which were more beneficial. Then I want to state here one most critical thing. See, when we created this railways, IRCON itself, for creating that 56 kilometers of railway, to reach those difficult places where we have to dig tunnels and take our rail line, we built 272 kilometers of road network, which were passing through those villages, which were helping those villagers who used to walk 50 kilometers every day on foot.
70 किलोमीटर 70 गांवों को आपने जोड़ा, उनके लिए आपने एक जीवनदायिनी रेलवे दिया.
रेलवे नहीं, रोड नेटवर्क भी दिया साथ में. और डेफिनेटली यू नो दैट इकोसिस्टम, वंस द रेल कम्स, it brings out entire ecosystem. Right now I am posted at Sangaldan. Sangaldan, when I joined, was a very small time village, and now you see taxis, hotels, everything coming up, and it is now a boom place in that area.
एक आखिरी सवाल और बहुत इमोशनल सवाल. भारत 80 साल से भी कम यंग देश है, और हम उसको कंपेयर करें 150-200 साल भारत की रेलवे नेटवर्क रही जब हम अंग्रेज़ यहाँ थे, और स्विट्ज़रलैंड जैसे कंट्री, यूएसए जैसे कंट्री और चाइना जैसे कंट्री, आप कहाँ देखते हैं भारतीय रेल को आज के इस परिस्थिति में? क्योंकि ये जानना ज़रूरी है पूरी दुनिया को कि हम कहाँ से शुरुआत किए थे और कैसे प्रोजेक्ट्स हम डिलीवर कर रहे हैं.
देखिए, मैं किसी और से अपने आप को तो कंपेयर नहीं करता, हाँ चाइना से करता हूँ. और भारतीय रेल दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा एक संस्थान है, ये सभी जानते हैं, और इस पे हमको गर्व होना चाहिए. चाइना ने हमको थोड़ा आगे किया है, वो हमसे ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्किंग है, उनसे हमको सीख लेनी चाहिए. बट बाकी जो लोग हैं जो चला रहे हैं, हो सकता है वो बहुत छोटे हैं हमसे, वो कुछ भी नहीं है हमारी रेल नेटवर्क और हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी के सामने. हाँ ये ठीक है, वहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन कम है, जनसंख्या कम है, हमारे पे ज़्यादा है, हमको मैनेजमेंट ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है. तो थोड़ा क्वालिटी में थोड़ा और कोई जो नई टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है उनको हम बेहतर कर सकते हैं अपनी उसको। बाकी हम किसी से कमतर नहीं है, हम सबसे अव्वल हैं।
इसी शब्द के साथ बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मिस्टर दयाल हमसे बात करने के लिए, विजन टेलीविजन से बात करने के लिए। The whole railway management, whole railway board family, whole Indian railway family is so proud today with the kind of work that has gone into it, with the management that has reposed faith in these projects, with the engineers that have worked into it, with the whole railway network staff that has put dedicated almost a generation has been spent in making this railway project possible, where Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla railway link is now connected to the heart of India, to the whole of India, but the most important thing is the tunnels and the bridges. They are the architecture marvel, they are engineering marvel. From Katra, Jammu and Kashmir, with camera person Nehal Singh, Pranav Prakhar reporting for Vision Television World.